Right, guys and girls, just going to do a little bit of a desoldering today. I've got this digital clock that couldn't be saved basically, and it's got loads of LEDs, loads of transistors. It's got these lovely digital things on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to just take them off and save them for later, because you never know when these can come in handy. I'll do my best to record it for you, all this desoldering. I know some of you guys love this kind of stuff. I might talk through some of the things I am using, and that is about it. But yeah, I mean, I couldn't let this go to waste. I bought it in the hopes of saving it. However, I believe the previous owner put one too many volts through the power supply and has blown something on the IC, so it's not functioning as it should. So it only cost me £3, so instead of losing it, instead of throwing it away, you know, buying all these LEDs and all these transistors, it costs a bit of money. So they're here for £3. All it takes is a little bit of effort, and this is quite satisfying, to be honest. And I think this is the first one about to come off the board. Let's see if we can get her off. This little guy here, there we go. Look at that. Can we get a focus, my dear? Can we get a focus? Where are we? Look at that. Beautiful. I mean, come on. If you want to buy a pack of these, it would cost you a pretty penny. I've got them here for free. So yeah, let's see what else we can salvage off this little guy. Just a little closer, see what I'm doing. Just heat up the leg, get my solder sucker, get it in there, press the button. Hey presto, she's out. Should I do that in a way where you can see it? Maybe if I do it this way. So you heat up the leg, get a good seal around her, suck up the solder. Simple as that. It's a bit difficult doing it this way around because I'm doing it for the benefit of you guys. Get nice and warm. Bang. Can you see if I do it this way like this? That's a bit better for me. Let's see. Alright. Hit up the leg. Suck it. That's nice. That's a nice clean suck. That's it. And what I would say is you can buy loads of cheap solder suckers. Get a good one. This one is made in Japan. It is probably the best solder sucker I've ever owned. It comes with replaceable rubber tips, and it is just a pleasure to work with. And as you can see, it is doing a wonderful job sucking up that solder. I might just redo these quickly because the bad cat trying to work for the camera has meant I have not sucked this up properly. Alright, let us see if we can release this guy. Ooh. Let's try and get too zoomed in there. Alright. Can we get, there we go. Number 2. Absolutely beautiful. There's also a load of resistors on here. There's all sorts we can take off this board. Alright, so the next one's all along here. So we've got to do this whole line here and this whole line here. Should be quite fun. Let's see how long this is going to take us. You know, before you throw things away, I would always recommend that you know, you salvage some of it. You know what I mean? There's so much waste in this world. You know, we should salvage it and make use of it. This could be a nice little project. You know? Got a little Arduino, little board and this and that, and we can make something. let's try and get these guys out of here. So look at that, got 4 more just like that. Bang. Come on, son. This one just wants a little bit more of a hand. Touch him with the iron. Come on, there. There we go. Just like that. Just like that. They're off. Right, well, there is 4 more. I will do those quickly. You know, every now and again, give your tip a clean. Give it a bit more fresh solder. You know what I mean? You got to soldering. The most important thing is cleanliness. Keep that tip nice and clean. Nice fresh solder. Yeah. As soon as you start neglecting your tip, that's it. It is game over. Right, out of that board. I have now got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 of these guys. I mean, come on. It's got to cost at least, what, 5 on eBay maybe? I don't know, I'm going to have to check that out actually. How much that would have cost on eBay. You know what I mean? If these guys got a little code printed them or something, they have got a code. There it is. There's the code for the guys that want to know. Can you even make that out? I don't know. Maybe I shall. There you go. Can you read that? I can't read that. Maybe you can read that, but there you go. So we've got 10 of those recovered. That's nice. I've already got some of these out of it. Right, excuse all the solder. There's loads of solder on here. That's a part of the fun of desoldering. But as you can see, there's so many transistors and resistors on here, and we've even got a little crystal down here. There's so much stuff on here, and even down here, look, all these trannies. So yeah, moral of the story is, don't throw things away.